Here's how to make a Gamepass and please donate on your iPhone. Now you can see I'm on my iPhone and I can go up to a stand here and I can claim this stand and you'll be able to see tons of passes that I have created all the way up to 2,000 Robux. Now, if you want to create your own passes so that people can give money to you or Robux, you're gonna tap on the Roblox icon at the top left here, and then we're gonna tap on leave and leave. You can't do this within the please donate game. We need to get into your settings and go to the creation section of Roblox to be able to do that. So to do that, we're gonna tap on more at the bottom right and then create. You'll be able to see you're in the create section of Roblox. And within here, we're gonna specifically create a pass and then we're gonna set a number to it, a Robux number to it, and then have it for sale. So on here, you'll be able to see my experience. Let's at the top left tap on home and then creations. Within your creation, you can see Carolina 1010's place. And you need to tap on it and then tap on those three dots at the top right and make sure where it says make private, it should say make private. If it says make public, that means your place is currently set to private and you need to switch it over to being public. But after you've done that, let's just tap on it to open up that creation and that Carolina 1010's place or whatever place you have. Now, let's go through the process of creating that pass. We can find those passes by tapping on those three lines at the top left and then tapping on under monetization, passes. And if you scroll down from here, you'll be able to see all of the passes that I have currently created. Some are for sale, some are not for sale. I'll show you how to both create that pass, but also mark it as for sale and how much you want to sell it for. So let's scroll to the top here, tap on create a pass, and you can see I can add an image if I wanted to upload one. And then I can also just name this. Let's name this Sunshine or whatever you want. Doesn't really matter. And you can add a description as well and hit create a pass. However, after you've done that, you'll find if you scroll down to Sunshine right there, if I swipe over, it says it's off sale. So I won't be able to add this to please donate for people to donate to me. To make it on sale, I need to tap on that pass, Sunshine in this case. And after I've done that, I'll tap on the three lines at the top left and go to sales. And now you can see I can toggle on item for sale and I can set a price to it as well. In this case, I'm gonna set 10 Robux. Keep in mind when you do this, essentially Roblox will take 30%. So they'll take 3 Robux and they'll give you 70 Robux or 7 Robux. And then just hit these save changes. After you've done that, you can go just back to double check by tapping on back to passes. And there is Sunshine at the very top and it's enabled. Now you're good to go. All you need to do is hop back out of here and go to the please donate game and start playing it and claim a stand so that people can donate Robux to you.